Yo, what's up? It's Tron here with DrumVault. Today I'm going to be previewing my new Sapphire Omnisphere Bank. It's got 60 patches, all fire, a ton of different things. Got Arps, Plucks, bells, keys, bass, bell pads, guitars, flutes. So yeah, a bit of everything in there. So I'm just going to cook something up with it and see what we get. So gonna find a patch I like. Okay, I'm gonna go with this. Gonna go for like 135 BPM, a little bit slower on this one. I think my favourites are the plucks and the bells in this one. They're just really smooth work with most melodies. Can add some bass notes. Gonna add a counter melody here, maybe a higher one. Then I'm just going to start with the drums and then go back to another melody or something like that, just give you more of a preview of the bank. So I'm going to be using some of the drums from my upcoming drum kit, so be on the lookout for that. add something else. Maybe a pad actually. Try something cool with this one. Might actually use a key. Gonna try gross beat this. That sounds pretty cool. I'm just gonna add an 808. Again, I showed you last time, but if you do, just copy your 808 pattern to the kick, go on the piano roll for the kick and hit Alt K, and then all you have to do is drag whatever this is on to C, accept, and there you got your kicks just copied over quick. Just gonna mix it really quick. Gonna add like a trippy effect to this bell. So what I do for that is I just add a chorus with a wide reverb. And then I add Isotope. It's a free plugin on their website, and I just push up the warp depth and it detunes it. Now it sounds really like evil and trippy. Just do a quick sidechain. I'll explain what I do for my sidechain. So obviously go on the kick, sidechain it to the 08, Then put a limiter on the 808. Then click here for compression. Click on the sidechain, set it to the kick. I'm going to turn your threshold to about half to start, your knee all the way up, your ratio all the way up, and your release to about half, and then just hear how that sounds and adjust the threshold and release accordingly. And it just makes it sound more clean because the kick and the 808 operate in just about the same frequency range, because all an 808 is a kick. So when you're playing them at exactly the same time, your mix is going to sound really bad unless you sidechain it, so the 808 will duck behind it. And you also might want to take down the very low end of your kick so it has less clash with the 808. I'm all good with that mix for now. Just quickly arrange it into something cool. So yeah, so a really good bank, ton of good plucks, bells, pads, guitars, basically everything. Like, all nicely EQ'd and have nice effects, and also if you don't want the effects you can turn them off. Have the raw sounds, put your own effects on them. Just a really smooth, clean bank, so links in the description if you want to get that one, and I'll let this beat play out and I'll see you guys next time.